Alright, what's up everybody? It's me again. So, today, it is currently 4:37. Sorry, you can't really read that. And I'm eating taquitos. Beef one with some salsa. So, yes. Maybe this is going to become a thing on my channel where I eat random foods at 4 in the morning. I don't know what's been going on lately. I haven't been able to sleep. Doesn't help that my allergies have been kicking in a lot. So, that does you no good. So, and before anybody says anything, that I'm double dipping, I'm the only one that eats this salsa. So, but, yeah. This week already has been crazy, like emotion-wise, because for those of you that know, I lost my mom 2 years ago, this month. Yeah. Every once in a while, it hits you. You gotta just kind of move forward. But like a lot of things, and as you guys know, that's a lot easier said than done. So, Monday seemed to have been a very emotional day, to where I even had to leave work because I was getting angry. Not necessarily at the people at work, but just at myself and at the situation I'm in. So, that happened every once in a while. But, you just kind of have to keep going and tell yourself, it's gonna be alright, I guess. But yeah, so that's kind of how my week started. Other than that, it's been going alright. I worked out twice yesterday. Twice. Why I decided to do that, I don't know. But I took all of last week off, so maybe it was me telling myself I needed to work out twice and make up for last week. Who knows? But yeah, how are you guys doing? Yeah. As like the last video, I'm not as energetic because it's like 4 in the morning and I have to be up in like 2 hours. But you know what? We're gonna work with it. So, yeah. I figured I'd do this style video every like once a week, just to kind of hang out with you guys a little bit, get a little bit deeper with you guys. I'm very excited to vlog my trip to Detroit, which is in 2 weeks now. It's gonna be a blast. But sorry, you're gonna hear my dog whining at me. But yeah. We're going down to Detroit to go to a Tigers game, which I know Tigers suck this year. But it's whatever. But yeah. So I just wanted to come on here and hang out with you guys a little bit. See how you guys are doing. update you on my life. And I hope you guys are having a good one. I don't want to make it too long. So, yeah, if you're just eating something, whether it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 4 in the morning, join me and we'll eat together. So, yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, great day. If not, it'll get better. Bye.